Delta Essa kitchen faucet. First, slide gasket onto the shank. Make sure the spray hose goes inside the circle. Hold faucet by the supply lines. Insert the spray hose through the black plate. Then add the golden nut. Thread it onto shank. Use the wrench provided to tighten it. Make sure your faucet is facing the right direction, then tighten the 2 screws to secure your faucet. Insert the hose through the weight, then push hose onto the faucet outlet. Press firmly, then attach clip over the hose and outlet to secure the connection. At last, connect the supply lines. They are marked red and blue, and we're done.